With the rapid development of artificial intelligence, more and more people are worried that AI will replace jobs in various industries, and interior design is no exception. Today, we will explore a key question. Can AI really replace professional interior designers? AI is becoming increasingly widespread in the field of design. It can quickly generate interior design sketches, analyze images, and even create millions of different design options. For example, Alibaba's AI designer Luban created 1.7 billion different banner ads during the 2016 Double 11 shopping festival. The efficiency of AI is astounding. But does this mean that designers' jobs are on the verge of being replaced? AI indeed has significant advantages, such as handling repetitive tasks, improving design efficiency, and helping designers focus on more creative aspects. But AI lacks genuine emotions, creative thinking, and a deep understanding of brand stories. Most importantly, AI cannot, like human designers, communicate with clients to grasp their underlying needs. Interior designers possess irreplaceable abilities, such as understanding space, coordinating colors, and perceiving human needs. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation, where designers understand client needs and tap into creative ideas, ultimately creating works rich in emotion and functionality. Although AI technology is continuously advancing, it also raises some ethical and copyright concerns. When generating designs, AI might use existing works for modification or adaptation. Does this infringe on the original designer's copyright? At the same time, AI-generated content may carry bias and ethical issues, which are things we must carefully consider in the future. So, can AI really replace designers? The answer is, AI will become a valuable assistant to designers, helping them improve efficiency. But it cannot replace human creativity, aesthetics, and emotion. The future of design will be an innovative journey of human-AI collaboration. In conclusion, AI is transforming the way the design industry works. But human designers remain indispensable. Designers possess creative thinking and emotional resonance that AI cannot reach. In the future, only by working hand in hand with AI will designers create the most innovative design works.
Hi everyone, I am an interior designer who has been engaged in interior design for more than 20 years. Now that AI is coming, are you ready to embrace AI? I will share videos on the application of AI in the interior design industry. I hope you will like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.